Well, the cryptocurrency markets have continued to be volatile, and even as the prices stand at half of what they were a couple of months back when we saw all-time highs in many of those cryptocurrencies, but many participants, buyer institutions find these levels as opportune to get into this segment. And that's exactly what we have seen as a pattern from funds also, which have continued to grow within the crypto market. The latest entrant is Andreessen Horowitz, which has announced $2.2 billion worth of crypto-focused fund, and they say that they will allocate the capital across blockchain, digital assets and startups. The investments in the crypto segment also have continued to run up. We are looking at an all-time highs of $17 billion in 2021 until now, and half the year is still remaining. But the Indian companies have received a minuscule 0.2% of the $5.5 billion invested globally just in the month of May. So when you look at the investments in blockchain and crypto startups, and that's a comparative table across years and with the US as well, while Indian numbers are quite small in comparison, but there is a pattern that you can see flowing through. In 2018 is when we saw the cryptocurrency prices run up. There were more cryptocurrencies introduced as well, and we saw those investment numbers gain up. 2019 was nothing to write home about. 2020 has seen a surge yet again, and this year we are looking at numbers getting even better. So when you look at the Indian numbers, the trading numbers also have grown quite substantially. Last year, we clocked around $10 million on a daily trade, but this year, it's more than $100 million on a daily basis. Also, when you look at the comparative study with China, that number is still on the weaker side, though. With $40 billion in where India stands, China stands at a tall $160 billion.